Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 15. It is from section 1.1 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to simplify the given expression, and so we will use the order of operations. Okay, so we have 6 plus 4 in the parentheses, and we'll need to take care of that first. So we have 5 plus, and then 6 plus 4 is 10, and then we have minus 11. And now we just have an addition and a subtraction, and so that we will do them in order going from left to right. 5 plus 10 is 15, then we have minus 11, and 15 minus 11 is 4, and that is our final answer. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.